Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while since I've made a YouTube video here, but I've been working on some projects and everything within the NFT and Web3 space, and I'm finally back to YouTube creating content and everything. I actually launched my own NFT project, which I'm going to be going over in this video. But before I get into everything, let's roll that intro. So yeah, like I mentioned in the intro, I actually went ahead and launched my very own PFP NFT collection. It's called Aloha Frens. And I just wanted to, kind of spend this video kind of explaining what my project is, what it's about, what we're doing, and what, are the plans in the future for this project. But basically, Aloha Frens is a NFT collection. It's a small supply cap of 808, kind of representing the area code of Hawaii, which is kind of the theme throughout this whole project. So yeah, again, a small supply cap of 808. I actually went ahead and launched this project, and the mint was super cheap. It was 0.01 Ethereum. And when I went ahead and launched this project, once it hit public, it sold out in less than 30 minutes. And we were actually trending on like Icy Tools and stuff for a few hours. At one point, we were actually #1 on Icy Tools as we started trading on the secondary market. Now, currently right now, the floor price I think is a little bit lower than the 0.01 ETH that it minted at, but I do believe that there's less than 50 NFTs actually for sale. But what I did want to go over in this video is what is this project about, why I created it, and the future things that I plan on for this project. So kind of the whole reasoning behind why I created this NFT collection was because I'm super into the NFT and Web3 space. And what I really wanted to do and start doing back in last year was start helping businesses and everything kind of, get their foot into the Web3 and NFT space. But what I've noticed is that a lot of businesses, although a lot of them want to get into the space, they don't have the customers or the consumers to actually purchase the NFTs. And what I mean by that is the amount of people who actually know what NFTs are or how to purchase an NFT and how to use an NFT is very small when you look at, our whole world as a whole and the people who actually buy digital product. And so what I was noticing when I was talking to a lot of these businesses and everything and trying to pitch, NFT projects and everything to them, was a lot of them started to realize that we don't have the consumers or the demand to actually buy these NFTs. And for me, NFTs are so much more than just profile pictures. There's so much more than just digital collectibles and digital art. The utility that NFTs can offer to businesses or creators is so much more. And we're just, at the bottom of the potential of what NFTs can actually become. That kind of started the idea of creating Aloha Frens, which was finding a way to onboard as much people into the Web3 and NFT space as possible. So one of the goals of Aloha Frens is to create free public courses for people to take to kind of learn about, NFTs, to learn about blockchain, to learn how to create a wallet, how to use a wallet, just the basic fundamental things that you kind of need to understand in order to participate and enter the NFT and Web3 space. Then on the flip side, this project was slowly done by myself. So I created the art, the smart contract, the website. Pretty much I created everything from scratch, beginning to end, with the use of some no-code tools and kind of doing some research and learning how to use certain tools. So what I wanted to do for the actual holders is show holders of Aloha Frens how to actually build NFT projects, especially right now in the market that we're in, which is, what we're calling a bear market. The best thing that I thought I could educate people is how to actually start building and using NFTs. Because once we come out of this market, or once, people start to adopt and start to understand the Web3 and the NFT space, they're going to need builders or people to actually build out these platforms for them. So I launched a whole bunch of educational courses on how to create NFT projects, how to do digital art, minting websites. The great thing is I partnered up with a bunch of other companies and brands as well. And we use all no-code tools. So you don't need to know a single thing about how to code. You don't need to know any coding language. Everything is done through online web tools. There are some things that you might have to copy and paste here and there, but you don't have to write out any lines of code at all. So with that, I also launched something called the Aloha Academy, which I'm going to talk about in another video. But essentially, I'm creating tutorials anytime I think of or find out ways to replicate certain types of projects using these tools. I go ahead and create web series or tutorials on how to do so, and I show holders of Aloha Frens how they can go ahead and create these types of projects themselves, or if they want to go and help someone else build a project, they can take that knowledge and go out and help other people. I think one, it's a great tool because you can go ahead and create your own NFT collection, which you can go ahead and make money by selling your own NFTs. But you can also take these tools and this knowledge and offer it as a service to other people who are looking for builders. So you can go out and market yourself as a NFT developer. You can go ahead and offer consultation, whatever it is, because you're going to learn how to go ahead and build a full NFT project within the courses that I put out. And of course, the future of Aloha Frens is, one, the Web3 and the NFT space grows so much, so I can't say exactly what the future is going to be, but I know for sure that what I want to continue doing is educating the holders on how to kind of, get creative with NFTs, not just build your own PFP collections, but kind of explore the possibilities and get creative with what NFTs can potentially be. On top of that, like I said, we want to keep educating the public, because the more people we can onboard into the space and the more people that understand Web3, understand NFTs and how to actually use them, the better it's going to be for creators, because people are going to actually have the demand to purchase whatever NFTs that they're creating. I also have, ideas down the line on creating other NFT projects, kind of exploring what NFTs can be used for. And that's kind of what this whole community of Aloha Frens is. It's creating a group and a community of people who see that NFTs can be much bigger than what they are now, and kind of getting creative, experimenting, and that's kind of what we're doing right now. And as a community, we're actually doing something pretty cool, and I'm going to go over it in another video as well. But essentially what we're going to be doing is creating another NFT project built by the Aloha Frens community. So holders of Aloha Frens get a say in how this project is going to be built, what it's going to be built for, what happens to the project. Everything is going to be built by the community, and we're going to kind of see where it goes, how it develops, what happens to it, and I'll kind of follow up on more news about that. But yeah, that's kind of what I wanted to go over in this video. Just wanted to really quickly go over what I've been working on. I'm making my way back to YouTube, making more content. So I hope you folks enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and until next time, see ya.